Welcome to J&J's test video of S8CE340. The door slammed shut, so I can't open it, so I'll start it from in here. Radio works, CD player works. I'll have a disc in there. Oh yeah, it does. There we go, look how nice that is. Fancy. Alright, the window regulator works. Passenger side mirror, driver side, a little faded, but somebody will still use it. Alright, let's drive this thing around real quick. Shifter's good, transmission works, the front wheel's kind of falling off, but I think we'll be okay. All the dust. Ugh. Oh yeah, a little rubbing. Driving, moving. Park it here and we'll climb out and show you the outside. Let you listen to the engine. We'll go this way. Oh my goodness. Climbing out of a Corvette on the wrong side of the door is no fun. Alright, here she is. Got some C8 wheels on them. On it. Can't even talk. Good front bumper, good hood. There's your jacked up wheel, bad fender, bad door, bad corner. Lid, rear bumper's good, rear suspension's good, all that. 128,000 mile LS3. Runs nice. I don't think I can get to the throttle. Let's see here real quick. Might be able to do it from this side. About the best we can do there. All right, as always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered and buy some SSR parts.